This how to 1 minute will show you how to easily hide widget title in WordPress. As you can see right now, I'm in my WordPress website and here are some widget with title. Now let's see how I move this widget title. In order to remove widget title, we need to use a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here widget options and search for it. And this is the plugin we are going to use. So install this widget options plugin and activate it. Once the plugin activated, now hover over on appearance and click on widgets. And here you will get all of your created widget. Now let's click one by one and click on settings, and here you will get this option, check to hide widget title. So all you have to need to hide widget title, check this box, click on save. And if you have multiple widget, you have to do this process one by one for all of your widget. Once done, go to your WordPress website and reload your site. And this is how we can hide widget title in WordPress. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.